we've spoken so much about Ayan, and agar Ayan is film ki dil hai, if he's the heart, then the dhadkan, the heartbeat, is the lead cast of this film. Before I invite them on stage, I want to show and express from all our behalves, on behalf of Dharma and the lead cast and Disney star, how blessed we were to have Mr. Amitabh Bachchan lead our cast. Mr. Amitabh Bachchan has, that every other role, Ayan said, was replaceable, but there was one role that was not, and that was the role of the Guru. And there was only one actor who could have played that part to perfection, none other than Amitabh Bachchan. We just want to share our emotion and receive his blessings internally for being a part of Brahmastra. We can't thank him enough. And now, as I said, the heartbeat, the lead actors displaying the parts of Shiva and Isha. Ladies and gentlemen, please introducing to you Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor. Come, Ranbir. So, I mean, the stage is literally all yours. I don't have to kind of nudge you into saying anything because you both have been part of the journey of Brahmastra from its inception. It feels like it's like Alia is delivering two babies this year, one on the 9th of September and one much later. But Alia, am I right? Doesn't it feel like your anxiety for the film is kicking in because of baby on board?
Yeah, it's pretty cute. Thank you, Karan. Firstly, thank you to the members of the media, all of our Hindi media who have flown down over here. Thank you so much. I know आप लोग event देखने आए थे, but ये भी event ही है. All of us having a conversation in this informal sort of setting. So thank you so much. Andriki namaskaram to the Telugu media. Ella unaru? I have to say that being here today talking about Brahmastra feels very emotional. आप 10 years का सफ़र 10 दिन में मतलब 10 minute में भी आप sum up नहीं कर सकते हो. And we are now 7 days away from the release of the film that we have dreamed with our eyes wide open, with our hearts and our souls. None of the effort that we have put in will ever compare to the effort that Ayan Mukherjee, our light, our guiding force, our director, our creator has put into the film. So I know he's really, really missing being here. So just let's once hear it for Ayan Mukherjee, guys. Because I am really missing him. Whenever we speak about Brahmastra, I just feel like nobody explains Brahmastra better than Ayan Mukherjee.
Ayan must be really sneezing in this last 1 hour.
Hiccuping.
Hiccuping.
Sneezing.
Hiccuping. Time and again we have on this stage thanked Rajamouli Garu, but I want to myself, sir, thank you for taking me as your heroine in RRR. I can finally say that I have gotten the chance to be Rajamouli sir's heroine. But I also want to thank you for being our hero. Because honestly, without you, it feels like cinema is incomplete, but this journey of Brahmastra would have been totally incomplete without you. And I'm sure Ayan every day feels so indebted, almost like can't believe that the idol, the person he's looked up to in his cinematic experience, in his any human experience, whatever, that is supporting and fronting the film with so much love and energy. So thank you so much, sir. No amount of thank yous can really be enough. And Karth, of course, thank you for continuously organizing and being such a strong force. Tarak was here, and one of the things that I was going to say at the event was to his fans that all of you love Tarak, of course. He's a mega star. But today, coming out and supporting Brahmastra, he's proved that he has a mega heart. So Tarak's fans, if you all are watching this video, I can see why you all love him so much, because genuinely he's one of the most nicest souls that I've come across. And Nag sir, I mean, working with Nag sir, like Karan said, he's truly been the most favorite person on set. And I have gotten the opportunity to work with him which I feel, I heard you people call him king. He truly is a king. King of the set, king of our hearts, king of everything. And now I'll end with a song. क्योंकि मेरे को और बातें नहीं करनी है. I'm tired of speaking. And I had prepared this song. तो थोड़ा गाना शाना हो जाए. थोड़ा सा डल फीलिंग हो रहा है मुझे इधर. Yes. तो मैंने तेलुगु में प्रिपेयर किया है एक्चुअली केसरिया का गाना और मैं थोड़ा सा मर्ज करूंगी. ఆ బ్రహ్మే నయు చేయడానికే తన ఆస్తి మొత్తానే ఖర్చే పెట్టుంటాడే అందాల నీ కంటి కాటుకుతో రాసే ఉంటాడే నా నుదుటి రాటలనే కుంకుమలా నువ్వే చేరగా ప్రియా కోటి వర్ణాలయ్యా నేను ఇలాగా వేకువలా నువ్వే చూడగా ప్రియా వెండి వర్షానయ్యా వేడుకలాగా केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं दिन बीते सारे तेरी फिक्र में रहने सारी तेरी खैर मनाऊं. Okay, bye.
Thank you, Alia. That
Thank
was
you.
just beautiful. Give it up for Alia Bhatt, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
I mean, one of her many talents has been displayed in Telugu as well. Thank you so much for doing this.